Students, now let us continue chapter 13. Now magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor. Straight conductor means here in figure XY is the one of the straight wire, thick wire, right? So here we shall discuss about the activity number 13.5. Here what determines the pattern of the magnetic field generated by current through a conductor. Conductor means conducting wire which electric current can pass through it. Now does the pattern depends on the shape of the conductor, either it is a rectangular, circular, what type of shape the conductor have, and we shall investigate this with this activity. Okay. Now here first we take a battery of 12 volt and the variable resistance, that is R. Here arrow is put on this figure means it is a variable resistance, we can move it. That is also called rheostat. And ammeter, that is capacity is 0 to 5 ampere, and a plug key K in the figure, connecting wire, these thin lines that shows the connecting wire that we used in electricity, and a long straight thick copper wire that is between X and Y ends. Okay, so these are the requirements for this experiment. Insert the thick wire through a center around a normal to the plane of rectangular cardboard. This shape, this is the rectangular shape cardboard we have taken. At the center one hole is made and we insert the copper thick wire through this hole. Is it clear? Now take care that cardboard is fixed. It should not be moved from their position and does not slide up or down. Means it should be fixed, right? Now connect the copper wire vertically between 2 points X and Y, vertically between these 2 points, and sprinkle some iron filling. Iron filling means lokhandno bhuko, right? So we sprinkle some iron filling on the cardboard and keep the variable of rheostat at fixed position and note the current through the ammeter. So first we take it, keep it as it is and note down initial reading in the ammeter, means how much current is flowing through the circuit. Now gently tap मतलब ठक ठक करके आवाज करनी है, right? Tap the cardboard and for few seconds and then observe the pattern of iron filling. You would find the pattern of concentric circles. Now you can see these circles, these are concentric. Concentric means all the circles having common center, same center, that is called concentric circle. So this iron filling itself will arrange in form of concentric circles as shown in figure around the copper wire. Okay, so copper wire will be the center of these all the circles. So what do these concentric circle represent? They represent the magnetic field lines around the wire. Now place a compass at the point P. Compass means that is actually magnetic needle over this circle. Now observe the direction of the needle. This direction of the field lines that can be shown by this arrow that is in this direction, right? So these concentric circles means magnetic field lines, they are moving in form of co-eccentric circles, and the arrow shows the direction of magnetic field lines produced by the electric current through the straight wire at P. Now this direction is already shown in the figure. Now does the direction of magnetic field lines get reversed if the direction of current through the straight copper wire is reversed? Suppose we change the direction of these terminals of the battery, means in place of positive we take the negative and in place of negative we take the positive. So the direction of current will be reversed or not, that we have to check. Now what happens to the deflection of compass needle placed at the given point means P if current in copper wire is changed. To see this, vary the current in the wire and find out the deflection in the needle also changes. So if the current is increased, the deflection also increases, means it indicates that the magnetic field of magnitude of the magnetic field produced at the given point increases at current increases. Okay, in short, current increases, deflection also increases. If the deflection of needle, if the compass is moved away from the copper wire, if we move it from P to Q point, means away from this conducting wire, then here the change is observed, the deflection of the needle that decreases, right? So the magnetic field produced by given current in conductor decreases as the distance from it increases. Now it can be noticed that the concentric circle representing the magnetic field around the current carrying straight wire become larger and larger as we move away from it, because you know that if it is near the center, its radius is going on increasing, and increasing means whenever they move away from the conducting wire, then these circles becoming larger and larger as we move away from, and its magnetic effect is also going on decreasing. Okay, so today we complete this exercise activity 13.1.